This year, to give it a go, I picked up the sound desk in this year's production.
This year, to give it a go, I've started to play football.
This year, to give it a go, I'm binding my own Mamma Mia music instead of getting Miss Holland to do it.
This year, to give it a go, I started reading English books.
This year, to give it a go, I'm buying a new house to be close to Timaru and work, and it'll be a good place to start again for my children and I.
To give it a go this year, I've coached a netball team.
This year, to give it a go, we'll play badminton.
This year, to give it a go, I've started taking up mountain biking. Yesterday I biked 27 kilometres around Timaru and I'm really enjoying it.
This year, to give it a go, we're doing Young Enterprise.
Woohoo!